Welcome to Motorcycle News Channel. American Honda has finally announced the new Neo Sports Cafe-inspired CB300R is coming to the United States as a 2019 model, at $4,649 for the base model and $4,949 with ABS. The 2019 Honda CB300R is priced $300 higher than the 2018 CB300F, which it will replace. For that extra 3 Benjamins, you get the Neo Sports Cafe styling resembling the new CB1000R. Following an industry trend of a modern take on old-school aesthetics, the round headlight, radiator guards, 2-step seat all look similar to the CB1000R. For the CB300R, Honda refined the intake path and added a new underslung exhaust with a dual-chamber muffler, along with the significant weight reduction. Honda claims the new intake helped improve initial acceleration by 4%. While the CB300F had the frame and pivot plates as a single unit, the CB300R uses a new high-tensile steel tube frame with separate steel pivot plate. The 2019 Honda CB300R will be offered in 2 colors, Chromosphere Red and Matte Gray Metallic. Expect to see the CB300R in showrooms in July.